Welcome to Shivkarthi Academy.
Friends, in my previous videos, we have seen schedule of changes in working capital and funds from operations. Now we are going to see how to prepare funds flow statement. Funds flow statement is a financial statement which reveals various means by which the funds have been raised and the ways to which the funds have been utilized during that period. It includes both inflow of funds and outflow of funds, but at the same time, funds flow statement is not a substitute for profit and loss account and balance sheet because profit and loss account shows the profit or loss of the business. It does not reveal the actual inflow of funds and outflow of funds. And balance sheet shows the financial position of the business. It does not highlight the changes in financial position of the business, and it does not reveal the causes for changes in assets and liabilities. So, funds flow statement is prepared to find out the changes in financial position of the business. A definition for funds flow statement: a statement of sources and application of funds is a technical device designed to analyze the changes in the financial condition of a business enterprise between two dates. So, funds flow statement is a tool for the management designed to analyze the changes in financial positions of the business. Then, funds flow statement is called by different names, that is, statement of sources and application of funds, statement of changes in financial position, where got and gone statement, statement of resources provided and applied, etc. As we already discussed about the procedures for preparing funds flow statement, first we have to prepare schedule of changes in working capital to find out net increase or decrease in working capital. Second, funds from operations can be calculated by preparing adjusted profit and loss account or by preparing statement of funds from operations. Finally, we are going to prepare funds flow statement. Just a glance on schedule of changes in working capital. Current assets minus current liabilities equal to working capital. To find out the net increase or decrease in working capital, we have to compare the amount given in current year with the previous year. If current asset increases, working capital will also increase. If current asset decreases, working capital will decrease. In reverse, current liability increases, working capital will decrease. If current liability decreases, working capital will increase. Balance will be net increase or decrease in working capital. Net increase in working capital means current asset is higher than the current liabilities. That means the company has invested more amount in current assets. So it is an applications to the business that will be transferred to the application side of funds flow statement. Suppose decrease in working capital, it means current asset is less than the current liabilities. So the company has realized some current assets. It is a source to the business. So that will be transferred to the source side of funds flow statement. As I already told you, funds from operations can be calculated in two methods. One is by preparing adjusted profit and loss account or by preparing statement of funds from operations. Adjusted profit and loss account includes opening balance of profit in the credit side, closing balance of profit in debit side. Then non-cash and non-operating items will be considered for calculation. Non-cash expenses and non-operating expenses will be debited and non-operating income will be credited. The balance will be funds from operations or fund lost in operations. Alternatively, statement of funds from operations can be prepared to find out funds from operations. The same particulars which are used in adjusted profit and loss account but will be presented in a statement form. The balance will be funds from operations or fund lost in operations. Funds from operations is a profit from operations that will be a source to the business. So it will be transferred to source side of funds flow statement. Suppose funds lost in operations means it is a loss to the business that will be transferred to the application side of funds flow statement. If any missing item is found in the problem, we have to prepare the respective account and find the missing items. For example, in fixed assets, purchase of an asset or sale of an asset is not given, then we have to prepare fixed assets account. In this case, opening balance of asset will be entered in the debit side, closing balance of an asset will be entered in the credit side, depreciation will be recorded in the credit side, profits on sale of assets will be entered in the debit side, loss on sale of asset will be entered in the credit side. The balance will be either purchase of an asset or sale of an asset. Second, proposed dividend. When the proposed dividend is treated as non-current liability and if it is given in the adjustment, then we have to prepare proposed dividend account. In this case, opening balance in the credit side, closing balance in the debit side. The balance will be either payment of a dividend or provision made during the year. Next, provision for taxation. When the provision for taxation is treated as non-current liability, if it is given in the adjustment, then we have to prepare provision for taxation account. So the same opening balance in the credit side and the closing balance in the debit side. The balance will be either tax paid or provision made during the year. Then fictitious assets, opening balance in the debit side, closing balance in the credit side. The balance will be the written off that will be transferred to adjusted profit and loss account. Funds flow statement includes sources of funds and application of funds. Sources of funds shows the ways from which the funds came into the business, and applications of funds shows how these funds have been used in a business. Some of the examples for sources and application of funds. In sources, funds from operations, issue of share capital, issue of debentures, raising of long-term loans, receipt from partly paid up shares, sale of fixed assets, non-trading, receipts such as dividend, sale of long-term investment, net decrease in working capital. And in applications, fund lost in operations, redemption of preferred share capital, redemption of debentures, repayment of long-term loans, purchase of fixed assets, purchase of long-term investment, non-trading payment, payment of a dividend, payment of tax, and net increase in working capital. Then in a given balance sheet, we have to find out whether assets and liabilities are sources or applications to the business. For that, we have to compare the amount of current year with previous year. For example, if asset increases from previous year to current year, that means the company purchased some assets during that period. That is an applications. If a asset decreases, that means the company sold some assets. That is a source. If liability increases, the company raised a fund from some sources. That is a source. If liability decreases, the company repaid the liability holders. That is an applications. Now we are going to prepare funds flow statement for the given problem. Liabilities and assets of N & Co Limited as on 31st March are as follows. Capital and liabilities and assets are given for 2016 and 2017. As we know the procedure for funds flow statement, first we have to prepare schedule of changes in working capital. For that, we have to identify current assets and current liabilities. In capital and liabilities, sundry creditors, bills payable, outstanding expenses are current liabilities. In asset side, stock, sundry debtors, cash are current assets. In the remaining part, share capital, in 2016, 5 lakh, in 2017, 7 lakh. So 2 lakh increased. That means the company has raised fund through issue of shares. So it is a source to the business. Then surplus account, it is a profit and loss account. Instead of preparing adjusted profit and loss account, we are going to prepare adjusted surplus account. 1 lakh is the opening balance, 1,60,000 is the closing balance. Then general reserve, in 2016 50,000, in 2017 70,000. So 20,000 increased. It is an appropriation, non-operating expenses that will be debited in the adjusted surplus account. In asset side, land and building, in 2016 80,000, in 2017 1,20,000. So 40,000 increased. That means the company has purchased 40,000 worth land and building during the year 2017. It is an application. Then plant and machinery, in 16 5 lakh, in 2017 8 lakh. So 3 lakh increased. So the company has purchased 3 lakh worth plant and machinery during that year. It is also an application. Then additional information is given. First, rupees 50,000 depreciation has been charged on plant and machinery during the year 2016-17. So we have to prepare plant and machinery account. 5 lakh is the opening balance, 8 lakh is the closing balance, and rupees 50,000 depreciation will be credited in the plant and machinery account. Second, a piece of machinery was sold for rupees 8,000 during the year 2016-17. So sale of machinery, that will also be credited in the plant and machinery account. Then it had cost rupees 12,000. Depreciation of rupees 7,000 had been provided on it. Cost of machinery 12,000. depreciation 7,000 charged. So the balance value of machinery is 5,000. 5,000 worth machinery was sold for rupees 8,000. So 3,000 profit on sale of machinery that will be debited in the plant and machinery account. So the balance will be either purchase or sale of machinery. As we already discussed about schedule of changes in working capital, current assets minus current liabilities, that is working capital. In current assets, stock in 2016 1 lakh, in 2017 75,000. So 25,000 decreased, entered in the decrease column. Sundry debtors in 2016 1,50,000, in 2017 1,60,000. So 10,000 increased, entered in the increase column. Then cash in 2016 20,000, in 2017 the same 20,000. So there is no change in cash. Current liabilities, sundry creditors in 2016 1,53,000, in 2017 1,90,000. So 37,000 increased, but if current liability increases, working capital will decrease. So entered in decrease column. Then bills payable in 2016 40,000, in 2017 50,000, 10,000 increased but entered in decrease column. And outstanding expenses in 2016 7,000, in 2017 5,000. So 2,000 decreased but entered in increase column. Find the total of current assets and current liabilities and working capital, current assets minus current liabilities in 2016 70,000, in 2017 10,000. Then find the total of increase column and decrease column. Increase column 12,000, decrease column 72,000. Here decrease column is higher than the increase column. So 60,000 decreased during the year 2017. And compare the amount of working capital in 2016 70,000, in 2017 10,000. So 60,000 decreased during the year. So this is net decrease in working capital. This will be transferred to source side of funds flow statement. In plant and machinery account, opening balance 5 lakh, closing balance 8 lakh, depreciation credited 50,000, sale of plant and machinery credited 8,000, then profit on sale of machinery debited 3,000, balance 3,55,000, purchase of plant and machinery during the year, that is an application to the business. Then adjusted surplus account, opening balance 1 lakh, closing balance 1,60,000, non-operating expenses, depreciation 50,000, general reserve 20,000, the non-operating income, profit on sale of machinery 3,000, balance 1,27,000, funds from operations, this will be a source to the business. Funds flow statement, sources and applications, fund raised through different sources, that is funds from operations 1,27,000, issue of share capital 2 lakh, sale of plant and machinery 8,000, net decrease in working capital 60,000. In applications, purchase of land and building 40,000, additions made during the year, and purchase of plant and machinery 3,55,000. Total 3,95,000, it is balanced.
Thank you for watching.